All right, Jim, I'm here today to really test your mettle, the mother of all moving questions.
Bring it on.
Moving insurance. What is it and do I need it?
Oh, don't use the word insurance though. You know, one of the common things that happens is that people feel like it's insurance they're buying, and it's really not. What they're buying is what's called valuation. So what they're doing is they're assessing, the client that's moving is assessing what's the value of my goods. And then from there they have a choice once they've done that. They can purchase what's called full replacement value, which will give them the opportunity, they'll have to pay for it, but they'll give them the opportunity, if the mover were to drop your TV down a flight of stairs, they would have to repair it, replace it, or cash it out for its value. So obviously that's a little bit of reduces some of the stress if you watch your TV bounce down a flight of stairs, because unfortunately accidents can happen. The other option is what's called declared liability. And on that piece of it is the customer actually gets 60 cents per pound per article. So let's stop and look at this for a second. If that TV weighs 100 pounds, you're going to get a check from your mover based on 60 cents per pound times the 100. It's not very much money. You're probably going to be stressed out when you get that check and the mover says, we're done, you didn't select the full replacement valuation. At Humboldt, we suggest that people take full value replacement at pretty much all costs, because it gives peace of mind, and that's so important during a stressful time.
Now, I'm not very good at math, but $60 for my TV doesn't sound like a great deal. Speaking of money, I mean, what should I expect to pay for valuation?
You know, that's a tough one to answer. It really depends on what dollar amount you have. I mean, if you have $10,000 worth of goods in your home versus $100,000, it's done on every $1,000 it costs a certain amount of money, and it could be different from mover to mover.
Now, I've heard the declared valuation, that is a free?
Yes, I'm glad you brought that up, and I apologize, not much that. It's absolutely free. You get the 60 cents per pound per article for no charge.
And is that just a Humboldt thing, or is that industry-wide?
No, that's industry-wide, correct.
Okay. All right, so now you know how to really protect your valuables and your goods, and I think you've answered the mother of all questions.
Good luck.